Welcome back. This is Larry from Rio de Janeiro, and welcome to the playlist Financial Planning, the Big Picture. So on this particular channel, we're going to talk about financial planning, the implications of having one, the implications of not having one. It's scary to me when I look at the statistics that more than 80% of people worldwide do not have a financial plan. So what are we going to do here? We're going to discuss all the implications of having a financial plan, the advantages, and then we're going to talk about the implications, the disadvantages of not having a financial plan. So stay with me here. Please subscribe, tap that bell, and you'll be notified every time I shoot a video out there, and that should be about once a week. Thank you for being with me, and I hope to see you soon.